How to delete Google Maps contribution. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting a contribution from Google Maps. So Google Maps is a web mapping platform that provides users with the local business information, driving directions, satellite imagery, and street maps. It allows users to explore geographical areas and plan routes effectively. So first of all, you have to open a web browser and then go to Google Maps website by searching for it. Once you're on it, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now from the section that appears, click on Your Contribution section, that is between the recent and location sharing. Tap on it. You will see a list of contributions such as reviews, photos, and edits. Find the contribution you want to delete and then click on the three dots next to it and then choose Delete Contribution from the options provided. And that's it. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can delete Google Maps contribution. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.